kind of hard to do. This is hard to do on camera. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to follow a video on YouTube on how to slick a low ponytail, because like honestly I have a lot of trouble doing my hair whenever it comes to ponytails and whatnot. I don't know how to do that slick ponytail thing, and I'm going to use this ponytail I got from AliExpress. So you guys wish me luck and stay to the end of the video to see how the thing is gonna turn out. First of all, I'm going to have to loosen my hair because obviously this is not my natural hair. It's a wig. Also, I'm kind of doing laundry. That's the reason why the bed is empty. So don't pay attention to the background. Today is actually my wash day, and I also put this in my hair. So obviously you might see some things in my hair. So don't say anything. This is how long my hair is. Okay, so I combed my hair out actually. So what she's doing right now is she divided the front section of the hair. So that's something I'm going to do right now. Do it real quick. I'm already sweating, Jesus. I honestly thought it would be a good idea to do this thing before I wash my hair, because I don't know if it's going to turn out nice, and with all that gel in my hair, I kind of want to wash everything out when I'm done. Okay, so I changed the top and I added more hair to the front. This is cute. She's still moisturizing, she's still combing, so let's get into it. Let's do this. Yo, my hair is stressed. I hate dealing with my hair. I think this makes more sense.
Unfortunately, you know, I'm not bad, but
oh, she's already started applying the gel. I don't have that gel brush thing that she used, so I'm going to have to improvise. Let me just finish moisturizing some more. This is what I usually use for my edges. It's not even like as if I know how to lay edges on a normally. I don't know if this thing will be enough. So I use my struggle brush and I will like take some, put on glue. Can I say glue? Gel. Alright, okay, it's coming together. I think I used too much. You know what? It's okay. I don't think I know how to follow instructions. I really don't think I know how to follow instructions. This is kind of hard to do. This is hard to do on camera. Actually, no, I wish I had that brush. This is a fail. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, this is going to be so difficult to wash out. I look like a cartoon character. I think I did well. Doesn't feel like it's laid, but okay. Looks like as if she's moved to the front anyways. Okay, she is doing a center parting. I'm so glad that after this I'm going to just wash my hair. This thing might not be in the center, and I'm trying my best. I don't know if it looks like it, but I'm actually really trying my best. I think I did well. Right, so I'll just pack one side because I don't want the hair to come together. Okay, she's dividing it. Alright, there's lots of divisions in this thing. I don't have that pain, so I'm just going to braid this or twist it because I'm actually kind of lazy right now. And then she's gelling the back. She's gelling the back, okay. Okay, so I'm using my struggle brush to try and pull it back with the gel. I don't know, my hair doesn't slick down and it's kind of painful, and I'm in tears. You can't see the tears, but I'm in tears because my hair is not slicking down. I don't know, it's not coming down, like it doesn't stick down. I don't know if I'm using enough glue. Why do I keep saying glue? Enough gel, and I think I am. I think this brush really makes a difference. I think it really does make a difference. But I think I'm trying though. I'm trying. Looks good. Looks good.
Wait a damn minute. What?
Okay, so time for the front. Okay. Come on. Why does it look so gray? I look so tired. Okay, you know what? Actually, it's coming together. Does it look so gray? Oh my god. Why is it looking white? It's white, I don't know why. But hopefully, I think it's a dry off. It's flat. My hair hasn't been flat in the longest time. But okay, her own looks way better. The exact same thing I did here, I'll just do it here. This thing really outlines my head. You can see my egghead. This looks good actually, as it look. I like that, I like the bun. I gelled it down some more. I don't like the way that it doesn't look, I don't know man. I don't like the white stuff. Some struggle edges. I look, you know what, it's okay. I mean, I think I did well. It's not completely laid, I can still, it doesn't feel laid. Oh, so this is a part I'm interested in. She got some Got2b and she used it to slick her hair down. I don't like using glue on my hair, like my entire hair, because I'm scared of, you know, hair loss. But for this video, because I'm trying, you know, this is my first time trying to, you know, trying to actually get this thing right, I'm going to actually use this thing on my whole hair. On my whole head. Anyways, after this whole thing, I'm going to wash my hair. But if it comes out looking good though, I will carry it till tomorrow. And so she uses this and she puts it all over her head. So let's get into it. Her hair is shiny, but my hair is not shiny. Why is it not shiny? And I'm tired, you can see this on my face. I look like struggle right now. But her hair is shiny, but mine is not. It just has this white thing in it. And I'm frustrated. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm frustrated. But yeah, I'll just add more glue. I feel like I'm going to regret this, man. I feel like I'm going to actually regret this. My hair is not shiny, but like it still looks good, I guess. I'll use this mousse. I don't trust this mousse, but I don't know where mine is, and I'm too lazy to go and look for it. Her own is so shiny. I'm very jealous because it's so shiny and mine is looking like this. My forehead is beginning to shine. I think this mousse just added some white things to my head because I look like I have gray hair. I mean, that would be cool if I actually had gray hair, but this is not really the vibe I'm going for right now. This is so not the vibe. Let's see what's next. Okay, so this thing, that Got2b freeze blast, I do not have it, so I'm just going to watch her. You know what? I'll just put my head in the fan while she's blasting her hair with that thing. I'll be back. This is how I look when I'm going to bed. So I'll just wait for the hair to dry. I think that's the point of the scarf, right? While we're waiting, I filmed a review for this video, so you guys should check it out if you're interested in this ponytail. And basically, yeah, the link will also be here and also be in that video. I might not even wait for the hair to completely dry because, you know, time. So I couldn't wait for the entire thing to dry fully because of time. I'm just gonna put on the ponytail so you guys can see how everything came out. Yeah, hopefully I did it well. So that's the hair. That's my process. Her own still ended up coming out better than mine, obviously, because I don't know if I know how to follow instructions, but I tried actually. I look like struggle right now because I am very tired and it's showing on my face. And every time I'm tired, it shows on my face. Shout out to this YouTuber that actually helped me with my hair. So you guys can use her video as well if you want. I love the way this hair looks like as if it's like an extension of my hair. Sorry, I'm so sad that it didn't dry. But yeah, I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and check out my other videos. I hope to see your beautiful faces.